Welcome to this week's Clarion Energy News. I'm Elizabeth Ingram, Content Director for Clarion Energy. Here are the top 3 stories we've been following. Number 3. The Asian Development Bank has signed a $37 million loan agreement to finance the installation of a 47.5 megawatt peak floating PV solar facility on the man-made reservoir of the existing 175 megawatt Da Mi hydropower plant. The project marks the first large-scale installation of floating solar PV panels in Vietnam and the largest installation in Southeast Asia, ADB says. The pairing of these two clean energy technologies is a simple but highly innovative achievement, ADB says, which can be replicated elsewhere in Vietnam and across Asia and the Pacific. The financing package includes a $17.6 million loan from ADB's ordinary capital resources. This is supplemented by $15 million of blended concessional co-financing provided by 2 Canadian climate funds for the private sector in Asia. The package also includes a $4.4 million parallel loan from the leading Asia's Private Infrastructure Fund, or LEAP, supported by the Japan International Cooperation Agency through a $1.5 billion equity commitment. Number 2. The U.S. Navy has commissioned its latest littoral combat ship powered by MTU engines and GE turbines to defend the homeland. The USS Cincinnati moved into active duty from Gulfport, Mississippi. It is the 18th littoral combat ship to enter the Navy fleet, adding to the class of smaller, agile warships. The vessel is powered by twin 12,200 horsepower MTU 20 V8000 diesel engines and 2 29,500 horsepower GE LM2500 gas turbines. The Cincinnati holds a crew of about 40 sailors and can move at 40 knots in the water. The ship's name honors that city in Ohio, which also happens to be the hometown of GE Aviation, and the plant where the LM2500 marine gas turbines are manufactured. On-site and marine power manufacturer MTU also builds numerous diesel engines for fast vessels. The 20 V8000 can deliver about 10,000 kilowatts in continuous power, according to a company website. And now our top story. Scientists at the University of Edinburgh have been awarded $1.7 million to study how hydrogen can be stored underground, by understanding its fundamental physical and chemical processes, as well as the technology's social acceptability. Large-scale generation and storage of hydrogen could replace methane for use in domestic heating, thereby reducing one of the UK's largest sources of carbon emissions, researchers say. The technology also has the potential to improve winter energy supplies by enabling the production and storage of hydrogen in the summer for use during colder months. Researchers will use experimental facilities to study how hydrogen reacts and moves underground, and digital software to work out how to efficiently inject and recover the gas. The team will engage with the public to ensure hydrogen storage develops in a way that is both technically feasible and socially acceptable. The 3-year High-Stow-Pore project, or hydrogen storage in porous media, is funded by the Engineering and Physical Sciences Research Council. It will be coordinated by Scottish Carbon Capture and Storage, the UK's largest carbon capture and storage research group. Finally, the upcoming Powergen International event is offering 11 sessions on microgrids. This runs the gamut from integration challenges and the role of energy storage to voltage and frequency control and resiliency. The Bronzeville Microgrid Cluster project in the Chicago area will be featured as a use case. Visit powergen.com for more information and plan to join us in New Orleans November 19th to 21st. That's it for this edition of Clarion Energy News. I'm Elizabeth Ingram. Thank you for watching.